If you want to start a food business in India today, there's one opportunity where there's barely any competition and you can make a lot of money. But first, some background. You would have noticed after the pandemic, a lot of local pizza chains have come up which have started eating market share away from Domino's. Think Pino's is rapidly growing. There's also Mojo Pizza. And something similar has happened in the burger space. Think there's Wat-a-Burger, Burger Singh, good Flippin burgers and a dozen others. But there's one category where there's barely any competition, which is fried chicken. The only name that comes to your mind is actually KFC. And who's their biggest competitor today? McDonald's. They've launched a lot of fried chicken variants which are contributing to 10% of its revenue. And if you were to look at the data of KFC for the past 2 years, you would have noticed that their revenues from the same store are actually growing at 33% per annum. Well, this is a massive category. And people from North India and West India think that there are a lot of vegetarians in India, which is why this won't do well. However, what they're missing out is actual data from South India and East India, when more than 90% of the population actually consumes chicken and they are crazy about it. In fact, I think this will do crazy well in cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Vizag, in fact, even in Calcutta and in the East. I've given a lot more data to support this stand in the description. Share it with someone who may need it.